As a wholesale property investor and a small developer, I absolutely love property predictions. But it's not why you may think. It's no secret, every man and his dog has an opinion on the property market. Turn on the news, they all have their predictions. Go to a barbecue, your family and friends all of a sudden are property gurus. In fact, the experts themselves, these so-called famous economists and people that run the banks of the world, they too make their predictions. But go through history, have a look at how often these predictions actually come to eventuality. How often are they true? Yet, so many people make their real-life investing decisions based on these predictions. So if these expert predictions turn out to be inaccurate more often than not, why do I love them so much? Understand this. These expert predictions are what drives the market sentiment. And when you understand the market sentiment, you can use this massively to your advantage. Think about it. We're in times now where the market sentiment is very low. So when we negotiate our acquisitions, do you think that we're coming from a position of strength or a position of weakness? By contrast, when the market sentiment changes, and it will, what do you think that does when we complete our projects in terms of the sale price and the valuations at the end as well? It makes sense, right? So the takeaway is this: when you see these expert predictions, see them for what they are, but know that it drives the market sentiment. And when you understand the market sentiment, you can massively use that to your advantage.